Hey guys, so welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about some Cricket wireless news and some offers that they have that I think is pretty cool and makes me kind of want to sign up with them to see what the whole hubba bubba is about. So let's go ahead and check this out, guys. So if you go to cricketwireless.com, you scroll this down, you'll see a couple things about it. So it says, where's it at? I think I might have passed it. Give me one sec. Here it is. Sorry. So Sam's Club, guys, you can actually get a gift from Cricket, and that is being a Sam's Club member, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you know, but membership is about $40 or $50, I believe. So let's get into it, guys, to see what this is. I might try it out and see how it works. So it says Cricket's gift to you: first year free Sam's Club membership. When you get a new $60 a month plan, ends the 1st of 2022. So January 6, 2022, guys. After 1 year, Sam's Club membership renews at a minimum $45 a year. So it's $45 a year for Sam's Club unless you cancel. It says new Sam's Club members only, redemption required, no activation fees online. Activation fees in store is $25 per line. Terms and restrictions apply. So let's go ahead and see the offer details. Let's actually click learn more. There we go. So it says Cricket Plus Sam's Club. Cricket's gift to you. It says first year free Sam's Club membership. That's pretty big. I don't know any other carrier, cell phone provider at least, that's offering you membership to a club like Sam's Club or Costco. So there's actually a Sam's Club here in my town and a Costco. So it's pretty cool. I'm actually excited and want to test this out for you. It says with our 60 unlimited plan. Now there's an asterisk there, so it says when you upgrade, activate a new line or add a line through Cricket. So you can either upgrade, activate a new line, or add a line through Cricket Wireless to get this offer, guys. It says Cricket may temporarily slow data speeds if the network is busy. It says ends, like I said, January 6, 2022. After 1 year, Sam's Club membership renews at a minimum of $45 a year unless you cancel. New Sam's Club members only, of course, and activation fees $25 in store. So it says enjoy Sam's Club family perks: savings on pharmacy, optical, travel, and entertainment, and fuel. So that's pretty true. You do get the savings of fuel. So that's pretty cool. And of course, this does vary by location, but it says scan and go checkout. You can now just scan your items and go. You get a complimentary card. So one free household membership to share. So you get one card, and that's to share with the household. At this and more, including with your first year free membership. So it says ready to start. It says sign up for Cricket's $60 unlimited plan. You can sign up now. It says you already have a code. You can click here. So they'll give you a code once you sign up. It says find a Cricket store. Click here. So how it works, you'll select a device or bring your own. So you can either do a bring your own device, BYOD, which is pretty cool, or you can select device and purchase that. Sign up for Cricket's $60 unlimited plan. Check out and receive a Sam's Club code via email from Cricket. Redeem free Sam's Club membership to shop in clubs or online. That is pretty good offer, guys, if you ask me. So it says, of course, the offer details: first year's free Sam's Club membership with a new line, add a line, or upgrade. Like I said, it has to be on a $60 unlimited plan. Must be a new member to Sam's Club. One Sam's Club membership per Cricket account. Sam's Club membership only available and valid in the United States and Puerto Rico. You will be automatically enrolled in auto pay or auto renewal. You can turn off auto renewal at any time. See terms and conditions. So pretty cool. And you can actually find a store. Another cool thing is they do have a FAQ. So it says, if I'm a current customer on the 60 unlimited plan, can I still get the offer? Yes, but you'll need to add a new 60 unlimited plan line to your account. I'm a current customer. Do I qualify for this offer? Yes, but same thing. You must add a new line. Does my BYOD activation qualify? Yes. If this is a new line or you are adding a line to your existing account, it will just need to be on Cricket's 60 unlimited plan. Is this offer stackable with other current promos? Yes. So that's pretty cool, guys. I'm already a happy Sam's Club member. Can I extend my current membership? No, this is for new members only. and of course how long do you have to redeem. So pretty cool. There's some offers here and there. It says requires activation on a new $60 a month Cricket plan, voice and data plan directly from Cricket. An email with your code will be sent within 7 business days after eligible activation. Follow email instructions to redeem a Sam's Club at Sam's Club. Must redeem by March 6, 2022 to get free first year Sam's Club level. So it is eligible 1 per account, guys. Offer not valid at Sam's Club Plus level membership. So it's just going to be the standard membership. You must be 18 years or older to get this membership. Everything else is basically about the same thing. So it's pretty cool. You can stop there and see. It tells you more about Cricket Wireless's plans, unlimited data, but remember they might restrict you certain times of congestion. So that's that. So pretty cool, I must say, guys. I actually like this deal. I might actually go ahead and sign up. I mean, it's basically you're paying for a month of service with Cricket Wireless, but then you're getting a free Sam's Club membership for a whole year, which is not bad at all. I might just go ahead and try it and see what the perks is about it. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and do you think other carriers will do the same thing? I'm excited for this. I'll go ahead and give it a try. Thank you guys. Dragonic Warfare signing off, and stay tuned for a lot more videos. Thank you.